Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tovae.ashae and I'm back again with another video. That's my sister Ariana. We're in the plane now, and I just want to say that I look so cute. Aww. Okay, we are in a plane traveling from Atlanta, Georgia to Jamaica, Montego Bay, Jamaica. This video was recorded before Hurricane Melissa, and so I just want to say that I hope Jamaica will recover and be an even more beautiful island after this, because you know there's always a rainbow at the end of the storm, or there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. So Jamaica will be okay. If anything, this might just help our people to, you know, really get up and start making Jamaica a better place for all of us. May God lay his hands on Jamaica. Amen. Yes, this is me before Hurricane Melissa on vacation, you know, just going back home because this is where I grew up as a little girl, guys. And I left Jamaica at the age of 13. So 24, basically 10-11 years later, came back home to visit. And then boom, after I left, I'm not saying right after I left the hurricane happened, but after I left the hurricane happened. And so I just really hope that this is just God, you know, cleaning the island and making it an even better place. That's all. Yep. Okay, so let's just enjoy this video. All right, let's enjoy the video. Country. That's me as a little girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Crazy.
Just had fun. You wait, who's the Dr. Henry?
Yo, I'm in Trelawney, Jamaica, the jungle. Before I move to Kingston, we are going to the beach today. This is like our excursion. Not really excursion. My nails are so cute, but this is like an excursion before we get to the hotel. But yeah, went to the beach. Is that a horsey? Are you a horse or a donkey, bro? What? You said don't come near you? Hi. Hi, horsey. It's hot, though. It's so hot. Anyways, guys, look at these beautiful houses. Oh my gosh, they're biggie. Like, no, seriously, like, look at this one. Who's gonna live in this house? Like, what are you gonna do in this house with all these rooms? It's concerning. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. All those rooms, like, is that for your whole family? What is going on? Okay. Anyways, guys, Okay, we made it. Y'all, look at my mom's dress. It's so pretty. Ooh. Oh my gosh. All that sunscreen. Hi, Yaya. There's actually beach horses, bro. That's so cool. The white one is so pretty. Oh my god. First of all, I've seen this on social media and I finally see it in person. It's so cool. It's so cool. I want to get on it. That's my cousin, y'all. Oh wow, it's really not deep at all. Whoever lives up there is so lucky because they can come to the beach anytime. I was trying to take pictures right there, but this boy came and sat down.
Can do this
Aww. Come here. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Y'all, this is my cousin on the horse. So cute. No salt. So sad. No, he's.
And a girl like me just wanna have fun and more. Take it to the max. Take it to the max.
Take it to the max. We just ride and take it to the max.
She love, bad man, she love, yeah. Bad man, she love, yeah. Bad man, she love, bad man, she love, yeah.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Take it to the max. Shake it. Shake it to the max.
Take it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Tell some of them body like a.
And if you hear this song, then go on at the back. Go on bend the knees, let me shake it to the max. And I'll be bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Make your first good and never take a last, like a ball pump up fast.
Classy, real bad girl, I get nasty. I do whatever I want, just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge.
Joanna. Joanna. Why you do me just like that?
night, sir.
Good night. Reservation for us.
This is us at the hotel now, guys. This is our room. We were on the first floor, and you guys will see everything better. This is the patio, but it's night right now, so you guys will see everything better tomorrow. But we stayed at Dreams Rose Hall Jamaica Hotel or Resort, and I really liked it. It was all inclusive. Had pools and water slides. You guys are gonna see everything, so just make sure to watch this entire video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. My stomach is growling. I just woke up and I'm editing this video for you guys. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and watch this entire thing because it's a pretty lengthy video. So yeah, get your snacks and everything. You're already like halfway into this video, so you might as well finish it. You might as well finish it. This hammock is so nice. Oh my gosh. And so are my nails. I'm about to be on this in the evening or something. It's too hot right now to lay down, to be honest. Oh, look at the ocean. Good morning. Hey y'all, it's raining, and to be honest, after I ate breakfast, I went to sleep. Now it's like 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm like, okay, I guess I still can't do anything, or I can't do anything anymore because it's raining now. Probably just gonna eat something. I got out of the room. Good evening. That's so cool. And it's so many chill spots too. Another section. That's where my room is at. So cool. Guys, look at my brother. He's just chilling like a villain. Don't fall. Nice shoes. Nice shoes, Zizi. My sister's so cute. So this hotel, Dreams Rose Hall, Jamaica, is all-inclusive. As I said, we're in the cafeteria, the buffet style cafeteria right now. There's people playing music outside. It was really nice, guys. The food was delicious. It was, oh my gosh, all the dessert was so amazing, as you can see. So I had a great night. Good night. Breakfast was delicious as well. Outfit of the day. I think this is day 2 at the hotel. That is today's outfit. I have my swimsuit on under here. I hope it actually works, because if my phone gets destroyed, oh my gosh, that would be horrible.
Just try to test it out before you use it.
Yeah. This is my first time having braids, guys. I mean, I've had medium braids before. This is my first time with medium braids. I had the coil array braids. Look at her nails. Don't break them. Chocolate. Yes, I got darker for sure. I'm about to get in the water. See y'all later. Alright, should I go first or should you go first?
You can go first.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god. I'm gonna be right behind you. Record me coming down the slide. What happened? It got wet? Was it not locked? Gosh. Let's go get a towel. clean towels. That's the kitty part. There were some free ones down there. Oh my gosh. It's so cool, y'all.
Alright. She has a swing there. Come on. At least one. Oh, that was too happy. Come here. Yeah. Now, y'all thought this is what we were going to do? Absolutely not.
Guys, I might have had too much fun. Y'all.
What's your name?
He's a baby crab.
That's your sign, Mommy.
She's a crab?
She's a cancer
Oh, wait, she is a crab. She's a cancer.
She's trying to go. You gotta be somewhere.
Yeah, go back to the beach.
There we are now.
Oh no.
That nice.
Oh, he said mean people. I'm so sad.
Okay, there you go. Don't Zay, that crab can bite Zay.
Oh, poor thing, he's trying to get back to the beach.
Gizzy, look. This is the epic dinner.
Teen Titans Go on Cartoon Network.
Take out the seashells because it's too much. And I can always, oops, much better. Guys, look at the sky. It's like dark over here and a little bit of light right there. And we got the beautiful moon. Woo! That's so cool, bro.
Ariana.
So cool.
Ariana, what are you doing?
You put Sunny in here. It's up to you guys. I told you everything. I just said Mexican, Italian, and English.
Anyways, that's a banana. go after this. Okay.
Took long enough for you to stretch out of that.
Take it back now, y'all. Interesting fact. Jamaica was ruled by the British, and they were freed from the British colonial rule on August 1st, 1838. Became a sovereign nation on August 6th, 1962. We old. Jamaica's official language is English, but we speak Jamaican or Patois. It's a Creole dialect that's been shaped by African, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and English heritage. Wow. We decided to stop at the beach before we go to sleep. Soursop, breadfruit, fried apple and egg, African saltfish and national food, pancake with chocolate pancake with peanut butter. Here's a swimsuit for today. This is my cover up, and I don't know why this bikini is so small, but yeah, this is my favorite one. I just wish it wasn't so small. Like, I hope this cover up helps me. It's so cute though. I can't wear this, guys. It's too much. It's too much. I can't wear this. Should I wear it? Yes or no? So guys,
It's my
I'm gonna wear this with my outfit, and it matches my nails. It's so cute. This is the outfit.
Keep on trying me. I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me.
We're at the spa, guys. This is so cool. I love it. I had no idea this was here the whole time. Mind you, our room is right over there. What the heck? This is so cool. ready for dinner. Outfit check. Record.
It's already recording.
Yeah, just hold it.
I know what to get. I'm getting a ziti without the alcohol. Wait, what is it called?
At a Mexican restaurant.
That's how the fish.
By the way, dinner was alright. This is today's outfit, and I'm just gonna go get breakfast, to be honest, and then we're going on the plane.
A what? A cube. A cube?
Ice and the cheese.
Thank you. I'm gonna miss this room so much, but bye. Bye. It was nice being here. Fun fact, I was here as a little girl. Bye again. I decided to lay on the hammock before I leave.